Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelechi and I am a Canva expert. So the last time I said I was going to be sharing tips for those of you that have issues selecting color combinations. So this tutorial will be helpful. I already did one, so this is another section, okay, like the continuation. If you've not seen the first one, it's just the last video I uploaded on my YouTube channel. So you can go look it up. Now today I'm going to moving on to another phase showing you guys how to select color combinations for your design so it will look very attractive. I know a lot of people have issues when it comes to choosing the right color, when it comes to selecting color combinations. So if you fall under that category, then this tutorial is for you, and I hope that you will learn a thing or two, even if it's just one thing. I hope you will learn it and start to create attractive and beautiful designs. Now, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, you can do that now, okay? And also like and comment. That way, it will encourage me to keep creating more tutorials for you guys. Now, let's jump right into the tutorial. Now, I'll go to create a design and select Instagram post a squared size. Now I'm going to be showing you two options. Now we're going to select the photo. That's a fashion. Okay, where's the one I used the last time? Let me use select cutouts. Which should I use? Should I use this? Okay, I'm gonna use this. Now the first thing, the first step. Okay, the other option which I wanted to show you guys, it's this. Now when you click on this, okay, now when you click on the background and select color, let's say now we want to select a color for the background of this image. So I'm going to click on the background, click on the color here, and click on document colors, then come over here, which is says pick a color from the design. So when I select this option, I'll take this color picker to over here. Now I can decide to select a dark background or a light background. Okay, I can select this one, see, or I can select a dark background. I think I kind of prefer the lighter one for this. So now we have a background color gotten from the image, okay, any image. Now let's say I want to add the text and select stylish fashion. Okay, so we have stylish fashion. Our text is ready, so we'll increase this and reduce the line spacing. It's so much already. Increase it again, bring this down. So now let's select a color for the text. White still looks okay, but I'm just trying to show you guys something. Now click on the color, text color, come over here, and then select this. As you can see, I used colors from this image. Okay, I use colors from this image for this. Now let me just add something. Okay, so this is an element. Okay, an element. So I'm going to click on the color option, click on add a new color, click on this, okay, this two, and select this light one here, take it to the back. So now you can see I applied the colors on both the background, the text, and also the image. Now that's one way to select. I can decide to just add a shadow to make it pop. come over here to shadow, click on it, increase the offset, increase the blur, yep, and reduce the transparency, and we have a really nice design. Stylish fashion that you can go ahead to add. This alone is colorful. Okay, the colors rhyme and the color combinations are perfect. Now this is one way to select colors. Okay, now I wonder why my network is acting up. Okay, now this is one way to select colors. I'm going to be showing you guys another way, which is going to be making it three ways you can select color combinations. So it's showing me saving post here. I wouldn't want to lose all of this. Okay, now we're good to go. Now the third step is using the stars option. Using the stars option. Now if you notice, um we have under styles option, we have text, we have color palettes, we have fonts only, and then we have combinations. So you can select combinations if you're looking for the right if you're looking for both color combinations and you're looking for text. Okay, looking for color combination and if you're looking for fonts. Right, let's say you have issues, you're finding it difficult to select the right font combinations and the right color combinations, then you can come over to styles. Canva has made it easy for you to be able to select this and for your design to come out looking more presentable, more beautiful, more attractive. Now let's try this. I'm going to select this one. See, I'm going to select this one. It's changing, it's changing. Now the previous one was this 1 2 3, then I selected this. Okay, this color palette only. This changed, this changed, the background changed again. See, it's changing. Now let's try another one. They're giving you the right color combinations and it's looking really beautiful. Wow, wow, wow. Like I'm looking at this and I'm really smiling because the color combinations are dope. So if that's the right word to use. So if you have issues, you can come over to stars option or you can use the method that I showed you, and trust me, you are going to your design will come out looking great. So please make sure you subscribe and make sure you like and comment on this video. Okay, and there's also a course that I have there. If you have not, if you're looking to step up your Canva game, if you're looking to create motion graphics with Canva, then you should get that course because it's going to help you. Just click on the link or send me a message. Wow, I just scattered my design. Sorry, guys. So that's it. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.